Good morning, guys. Can you hear me, by the way? All right. Let's see. Interesting times. Interesting times. I just realized my pre-market data on TC2000 is lagging. I can see where the quotes are, but I can't. The chart is not catching up. Really annoying. Okay. So maybe finally lag has come to TC2000 too. I've been so happy. Why is this thing here? Put it in the wrong watch list. GSX got stopped out pre-market. These things just keep going. So we had one leg higher. Now we're gonna get a second leg higher. I also got stopped out of plug pre-market. They had an offering. Now it's lower than where I sold it, so that was a good thing. You know, you gotta get out. If you get triggered pre-market or after hours, whatever, you just gotta get out. Let's see. There was one other stock I bought yesterday. This Gamestop is now below the 20. Let's see if it can reclaim during the day. Oh yeah, DraftKings, this one too. I held half size overnight. It closed weak, so I got rid of half. And now it's gapping down. All the longs from yesterday are gapping down. Let's see. So, and also Tilray. I'm still not out of this thing. I managed to sell half, but this one is also below my stop. So my longs, yeah, all my longs are down. Yeah, all the money is going to a few stocks. It's pretty amazing, pretty amazing. A lot of these larger cap leaders, they broke down yesterday. Something like Roku, I went short this thing. It broke this 60-minute range here. Now it's gapping down. This ARK KK ETF, well, this one is not really, never mind, it never broke down. And also I got rid of my Tesla pre-market, break even. I just, they have earnings after hours and there's nothing else to squeeze out of this trade. It could do anything on earnings, so I'm not even gonna look at it until maybe after hours. Where's this DDS trading? Is this thing even trading? Oh yeah, okay, there it is. Oh, it's too thin. I'm gonna ignore this one. Space. Oh, TC2000 is slow. Guys, is it slow for you too? Oh, this sucks. BB. Where is this thing going? Costs, wow. Insane moves. Everything is squeezing. Oh, EXPR2? Wow. Holy fuck, these moves. I can't believe them. Unbelievable. Yeah. Issues market servers, not TC2000? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, stops don't work in after hours. You gotta get out manually. I opened up e-signal as a backup for, but it looks like it's not really it doesn't make a difference. Yeah, and also another thing, you know, technical issues. You know, if you get technical issues like these, you know, it may be better to just, you know, take a step back, because you don't wanna, you know, get stuck in a trade, or, you know, having any trouble happen to you because of technical issues outside of your control. You know, just a thought. Just a thought. It's all part of the risk management philosophy. If you cannot control your risk in a desired way, maybe it's better to, you know, trade less, trade smaller. And obviously I'm talking to like day traders. Maybe you shouldn't go heavy on something when, you know, quotes are lagging. Yeah, don't get impressed by the people who, you know, are buying these stocks, you know, like blindly buying these things. Like it's not a strategy. It works right now. That's it. This kind of strategy is not going to work for another 20 years probably. So sex. I still can't believe it. It's GameStop. Out of all the stocks, it's GameStop. Like every time I pass GameStop, I'm like, wonder when they're gonna close. And now GameStop is the hottest stock in like a decade. Yeah, I know, IMC. Yeah, I know. It's unbelievable. I can't believe it. GameStop. Oh, it's too funny. It's too funny. I mean, it's so stupid. This business is so stupid. All you can rely on are your setups and risk management. That's it. You know, there's stupid things going on, left and right. All you have is your risk management, your setups, your processes. That's it. That's all we have. JWN2. No, no, it's not. Oh, Macy's is up. JWN is where I sold it. All right. Let's see here. GME to 1,000. Sure, why not? I mean, technically, GME is day one. AMC is also day. Well, AMC is maybe day. Maybe it's impossible to see. But yeah. But the thing is, I did read that the Melvin Capital did close their position. So I don't know, like who's left to squeeze? Like, I don't know. Yeah, good luck, guys. Don't do anything stupid. If you're gonna short these things, if you gotta locate. AMC was actually easy to borrow, but you know, do it tiny size. Don't go crazy on these things. Like they could both double, triple from here today. You know, so be careful. Don't blow up your accounts. Don't short. Don't even do it. Like no one in here except me should be shorting things. All right, good luck. Okay, I cannot get quotes. All right. This sucks. No, I have e-signal as backup, but wow, the lag is just on. Oh, Jesus Christ, everything's triggering. TC2000 doesn't even think market has opened up yet. Come on, really? Wow. Like, how is anyone trading right now if every single trading platform is like this? Like, everyone is trading blindly. You have no problems? What platform are you on? And can you open an account in 10 seconds on that platform? Okay, looks like I'm getting some quotes now. Highlights are strong. So the 300 level on a GME looks like the 300.00 level was defending. You sold the bingo short. I think you need to get your lingo right. You mean you covered it? Because otherwise it would mean a completely other thing. So, I mean, GME is just hanging around that VWAP. Not really doing much. It is my main watch. Yeah, for now. Wait, is this real? Is it going in such a tight range, or is it something with the quotes? This is super weird. Is it really going in like a few dollar range? It was. Holy shit. My thoughts on Fubo. I don't see anything here. Maybe a short watch tomorrow if it goes crazy. I don't know. I don't see anything. Okay, let's see here what's going on. GME. So right now it looks like it's failing VWAP. If you're short GME without the plan, you're out of your mind. Or well, it depends on where you short it, obviously. If you lack a setup, then you're out of your mind, no matter what you do. Come on, GME, come on. Yeah, GME is a parabolic, and once the squeeze is over, it's gonna go down as fast as it came up. But you know, when is the squeeze over? That's the question. I'm just doing small size, just getting, you know, feelers out there. I'm not, again, like I said before, don't do anything crazy, especially with, you know, potential market or like data lag and stuff like that. And technically GME is day one, but I'm thinking, you know, since Melvin is out, but who knows? It's not confirmed. Oh, okay. Maybe just saying. Maybe just okay. Like I just got stopped at half of my starter. Half of my starter. That's how like small size I'm trading on this thing. It needs to confirm backside. Like it needs to hold below VWAP. There's no you know reason to do anything on it unless it can't hold VWAP. AMC looks like it's reclaiming VWAP too, so we'll see. Markets are getting assholed, yeah. That's good for my UVXY. Yeah, it's so annoying that Plug did an offering and not FCell or BLB. Of course, the one I bought did an offering and gap down. Yay. Wait, AMC solved it, okay. You know what I'm seeing? GME is building higher lows intraday. For now. For now. That can change in literally a few seconds. With this stock. Shopify? Is it going up or down? Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, all of the leaders are. This is like I don't like the action in the markets. This is the last. I don't like the leaders. Leader after leader has been breaking down past few days. Yeah, it's the shift from growth to meme. Yep. Yeah, you gotta realize market shifts. It's a shift from growth to meme. It's yeah. Well, because AMC had a lot of volatility, I guess. It was a volatility halt. GME hasn't had a volatility halt yet. Well, yeah, in certain cases, the market has always been a meme. Absolutely, absolutely. But it's stronger right now. The meme tendencies are stronger right now. Yeah, it's the same setups. It doesn't matter. Value stock, growth stock, as long as it has momentum. They're all momentum stocks. As long as it has momentum, we trade it. That's the most important thing. Yeah, you know, whatever you're trading, be careful. Like, it's, you know, don't let technical issues. You can't. They're out of your control. You know. If you're having technical issues, your edge is greatly diminished. That's what I'm trying to say. What's the volume GME has traded? Only 5.5 million shares? Wasn't. Well, it is kind of high priced though. Am I shorting Plug? I did take a starter in case it loses to 2020. Like, Plug is one of the leading stocks. I'm just seeing a lot of these leaders break down, like Shopify, Roku, you know, like there's several more, or like a lot of them. So in case it can't hold here, it's a very tight risk reward. I'm in a starter, and yeah, we'll see. I'll add if it takes out lows later. Like when you get a market correction, the previous leaders are usually the ones that pull back the most. The stocks that are up the most. That's where they like these leading stocks. They go up the most when the markets go higher, and if you get a correction, those are the ones that go down the most. It's called high beta stocks. The 300 level is still defending. Like if it loses, its GME loses 300, or if it can stay below 300, that would be nice. It's a big buyer at 300. Bitcoin on the 50-day, yeah. Yep. UXY, yes. UXY, let's go. PLTR. Oh wow, that one is strong. Amazing. Really amazing. But I think isn't that one also pretty heavily shorted? I'm just getting rid of some long exposure. I know I should wait for the close, but I just don't like. I got rid of the oil ETFs. Breaking my own sell rules again. That hasn't worked out very well the past 6 months. Yeah, sometimes intuition helps, but I think this time it's different. Honestly, I do, because this time really is different. Like now the leaders are breaking down, and we have this craziness going on. Like when you get these really crazy moves in a handful of stocks, like usually it's not a great sign for the market. It's like the last euphoria before. I'm not saying it's like like a big the top for the market. I'm just saying, I don't think the next few months are gonna be as good in the markets as the past few months have been. Just playing the odds from my own experience. I'm just playing the odds. Yep. I've added back some of my GSX, or actually all of the GSX I covered pre-market. It's below VWAP, about to take out the lows of the day. We'll see what happens there. David, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not 53. What are you talking about? Even TradingView is down, yeah. Someone said it's like the market servers themselves that are lagging. I guess, yeah. Oh, TradingView is working great. So is it gonna be a 5-minute hold? If it's a 5-minute hold, GME should open up any moment. Oh, GSX, that's a power down candle right there. Holy. That is yep. Yep. Yeah, Dash tried to break out. Oh wow, it's going now. It's really going. So now GME backtesting VWAP. AMC is the one I wish I had shown. I couldn't, like, look at the opening range load on the 1 minute. You would have, your risk would have been what? Wait, 20, 40, I don't know, say 50, 70 cents with slippage. And, you know, good risk reward. And it's ultra liquid, ultra liquid. But yeah, everything was lagging out of the gates, so what can you do? What can you do? Yeah, exactly. Can't trade blindly. You have no edge if you're trading blindly, even if the setup is good, but if you don't see what's going on, you're trading blindly. Very tricky market. I've never seen anything like it. Last time we had so much lag on the platforms and brokers was like March, when we had panic in the markets. Now it's kind of like reverse panic. BBY is back too, okay. It's BBY, I was short 2 days ago. It was a day trade for me. Although I covered like intraday since it hit my profit target. Now it's right back up. Maybe give us another opportunity tomorrow or later this week. What day is it? Is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Plug just took out opening range highs. Holding for now. It's holding a very key level. Look at all these, like KR, Kroger, grocery stores. This thing was up 32% this week. Oh wow, I guess I sold Macy's too early. Oh shit. Man, I mean, not following sell rules, I'm just faking myself out of... Guys, you can learn real time from me. I'm a professional rule breaker when it comes to sell rules. That's how important sell rules are, you know. Oh my god, ridiculous. That's fine. That's fine. When I feel things are, you know, when I feel really uncomfortable, I know I don't regret selling those things. Just a weird things going on. Yeah, no regrets. Yeah, mental capital, that's the thing, absolutely. Yeah, no regret. You can't have regrets in the market. You can bitch and whine and moan, but at the end of the day, you gotta, you know, you can't have regrets. Only opportunities to learn, no regrets. Plug a nice long setup. Yeah, it needs it could be a nice long setup as soon as tomorrow potentially. It's still holding higher lows. BLDP, what's this one doing? It's one holding two, and fuel cell is about to take out yesterday's highs. Incredible. So this AAL, did they have news? Why is this thing up? The other airlines are not up. Weird. Oh, it had earnings. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. So why couldn't my longs do something like this Blink did? Why didn't I buy Blink? Why did I buy Tilray, which stopped me out mostly pre-market, rest out of the gate, and now it's back up almost green, and Plug that stopped me out pre-market. It's just incredible bad luck. Yeah, I know. That's my point. Why didn't why did that one have an offering? Why couldn't BLDP have an offering? That's my point. So if everything is bouncing back, that means my UVXY is fading. Yep. Yeah, things are so random. Yeah, but you gotta adhere to your stops. Sometimes it can be really frustrating, but that's the only defense you have. Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll is a double in the past 3 sessions, or almost double. I love this market. Airbnb, okay. Isn't it obvious why? All the long short hedge fund managers need their comfort foods because the short part of their portfolios are blowing up. And now DraftKings is also back. I sold it pre-market and now it's back. Okay. Incredibly shoppy. But GME, it is building lower highs for now. And now this 285 area is a key level for it. Is Corsair Chinese? Corsair, how are you doing? Yeah, they're actually building a nice... If they need to tighten up a few days, but this is a nice looking flag. This is not a bad looking flag. It looks really good. WW, yeah. DraftKings again. Mm-hmm. Yeah, GME, so far, this is what I see. This is what I see. No, wait. Yeah. Higher, lower highs for now. This looks like exactly like mRNA did the day it... wait, where is it? Oh, I can't go back that far, but you know, you remember that. Built lower highs, broke the range, and was straight down. I'm not saying GME is gonna do that, but you know, once the shorts are squeezed out, who is left to buy? My alerts, I have a one. Every alert can only get triggered once, but I may have a lot of alerts on the same stock. Because many times I forgot I have set an alert, and many times I move them around slightly. So if a stock breaks down or breaks out of a big area, I may get 5 alerts on it triggering. Man, I need to go to the bathroom. I drank too much Nocco. I actually drank a cup of tea before the market opened too, and then I opened a Nocco right after. And I can't leave the computer because I'm watching GME and some other stuff too. fast it keeps going higher. I've been adding a little bit to my GME as it's tightened up and staying below VWAP. So it has made like 2 lower highs so far intraday. So I actually have a pretty decent position now. Come on. Oh my god, please go red. Go red on a day. Like my first target really, or is the 10-day moving average. It's 70% lower from here. Wait, am I short 600 shares of AMC? Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I wanted to short it opening range lows, but I didn't get filled. And then I canceled my order because everything was lagging. Okay. 600 shares. Locate for what? GME, 23 cents per share. Oh yeah, let's go. If this, yeah, come on. For once, the past 2 weeks have been kind of choppy for me. Like, I sold stuff too early, and then like yesterday, everything I bought stopped me out, and now they're higher. It's been a little bit of shop for me. I need something smooth. Oh, I can go to the bathroom? Yep, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Be right back. Good thing about going to the bathroom is now I can fit in more Nocco in my belly. Funny thing is, Mara, I covered it yesterday because it closed a little bit too strong. I shouldn't have. Whatever. Laser straight right back. Okay. eToro. QS a good setup. You know, look, in this, I would say like no, but in this market, like these SPACs are showing, many of them are still showing a lot of strength. Yeah, it could be, but I don't think for today. I think it would be better for tomorrow. If you can tighten up a little bit more, there could be something there. Let's see what's Fubo doing. Yeah, Fubo, I hope this thing squeezes to 100. Well, isn't this also a highly shorted stock? TC2000 was better a few years ago. You could actually see the short interest in the platform. As you can see, these two dots. What they showed were short interest in percent and days to cover. But then they removed that function. That was like 2 or 3 years ago. And since then, well, I've been too lazy to remove them. But it was so good. You could just see it right in the platform when you scanned. 65%, yeah. THCB. Yeah, it looks good actually. What's this AMC doing? And EXPR. Swing trading is so annoying. Why? You gave back 70% of your month in the last 10. How many shares short on GME? 50,000. How is it possible? It is possible. There, you know, some stocks can have more than. I don't know how it works really, but I think it's a thing. And I don't pretend to understand how, but apparently. Exactly, swing trading is annoying. Try day trading. Look, certain markets are better, you know, for day traders, like, you know, when things are choppy, but in the long run, swing trading is gonna win out. The problem is swing trading, like, you have to, you know, sometimes you can't do a lot. You know, sometimes it can be weeks between good setups, like good. So you gotta sit in cash or do very little. When it can get boring. That's the most, that's the hardest thing. Yeah, the big money is made in the big moves. Yeah, we'll see. Like, again, I don't like that a lot of the leaders are showing weakness the past few days, but a lot of them are bouncing back higher, so maybe they're holding. Like this Coupa actually bounced above the 200 day, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I just personally don't really see a lot of good long setups, except for some of these back names, but most of them are pretty thin, so I'm not really trading them. And also, those have been choppy also. So all you have to do is wait. That's our edge. Our edge is in the waiting. Waiting for those big setups. And the right market conditions. Right now things are too choppy, except for obviously I wish I had identified the theme earlier. The short, the high short interest theme. I did drop that one. Usually you get 3-4 big themes per year. I usually catch like half of them and then I miss the half of them. The other half. So Fuel cell new highs. Damn, why didn't I buy this one? Why did I have to... Why didn't this one do the offering? QS. I'm gonna pass on it, but you know, it's... Yeah, it could work. It's a good risk reward. Laser is going. IB. Anyone else have issues with IB? I was able to trade. I got stopped out of 2 stocks on IB. Actually, one of the stocks stops didn't work. Yeah, now it's right back up. Okay, this TPGY charging stations, and also SPE, which is also charging stations, but this one hasn't come back yet. Oh wow, you can't cover your short? Thank God it's not $1,000 then. Holy shit, it's working well. Yeah, and this is also the reason why if you know, once your accounts grow, it's a very good idea to get different brokers, because let's say you're short GME from pre-market from like, I don't know, 400, 500, whatever, and it starts squeezing, right? And it stops you out, but you can't cover. So what do? Well, if you have another account, you can buy the same amount of shares. So you box in those shares. So you go net zero on the stock. That's another edge you can have as a trader, having different brokers, because if one broker has issues, you can you know, hedge your positions with the other broker. Yeah. No, you don't get whacked on both sides. If you get stopped out, you gotta get out of your position. And if you can't get out of your position, the way you do it is you trade the other side in another broker. That's the only way to protect yourself. And then when you're, you know, the broker comes back up, then you get rid of both the positions at the same time. Yeah, but if E-Trade is down, you know, that's my point. It's a good thing to have another broker, preferably with another trading platform. Because sometimes, you know, maybe once per year or whatever, these things happen. You know, brokers have issues now and then. Yeah, backup internet, yeah. Exactly. Well, internet backup is easy nowadays. Everyone has a 4G, 5G phone. But if you get an internet outage, you know, it's also good to have like satellite, or like if you have electrical outage, I mean, like in the whole area where you live, it's also good to have like a satellite backup connection. Or at least a satellite phone you can call your broker. Hey, get rid of my position. Who the hell uses Starbucks Wi-Fi? You should never use a Wi-Fi, period. Always use your phone. I don't get these people, they're using these cafeteria Wi-Fis. They're always super slow. You should always use your phone. How do you trade have you traded in an airplane? No. I have not. Oh, EXPR is coming back. And GME is on VWAP again. Like if it reclaims VWAP, obviously, gotta get out. It's not gonna make it easy. Uh, 2021, I don't know the exact numbers, but I'm maybe up 10-15%. So nothing crazy, but you know, for 3 weeks or actually 4 weeks, it's 10-15% in a month. You know, if you can make it every month, you're gonna make several 100% in a year. So you know, it's a good start to the year. But yeah, the past week has been, this week and like last one, it was a bit choppy. Absolutely. It feels like I missed all the easy money and I got it in the like wrong place. And then I also like, yeah, you know, it could have been better, but it is what it is. You're always gonna have missed trades and, you know, you're never gonna catch all the biggest winners and all the themes. Well, yeah, there's people in the chat that are up like 50% and 30%, and you know, if you caught the right sectors, you know, you've been doing really well. Again, I could have done better. Considering the opportunity set so far this year, it feels like I could have done much better, but yeah, can't get frustrated, because you get frustrated, that's when bad things happen. You start forcing trades and you start doing some bad stuff. And not an optimal trading strategy. Yeah, IZEA had a perfect breakout like January the 8th, like 5-star. DNMR, what's this one? Yeah, this one had a perfect breakout January 14th, but they're too thin for me. Can't trade them. But yeah, this is what these things can do, you know? It's insane. Oh, DraftKings. Don't tell me it's gonna break out now. Oh, so frustrating. Oh well. Corsair is a GME. Sure it is. Everything is a simple. They're just looking for reasons to squeeze everything right now. That's the theme. That's the theme. I wonder how much Melvin Capital is down on GME, if they have. I don't know. Was it just a rumor that they had covered their position? What a shit show. Holy fuck. Yeah, looks like the markets are now shaping up again. I can see it by seeing my UVXY position ticking down. Yeah, my average last year was over 20% per month. Yep. Yeah, I think he got. Yeah, he said he took 100% loss on it. Citron. He posted a YouTube. Yeah. That, you know. Gotta cut your losses. Gotta cut your losses, no matter what. Yeah, AMC too. Did AMC already do? Yeah, they offered 2 days ago. They should do an offering again, since the stock is up 300% since their last offering. They should, ridiculous. But yeah, it's kind of fascinating how it works. Yep, Wall Street bets saved them. Blockbuster. They're not trading anymore, right? Hertz. If this thing happened like a year ago, Hertz wouldn't have gone bankrupt, right? When did they announce their bankruptcy? Like here, I think. I think it was May 26th last year. So yeah, if this thing had happened exactly a year ago, or even like 8-9 months ago, if the stock had gone up 500% from the lows to all-time highs, they could have done a monster offering and they wouldn't have gone bankrupt. Or bankruptcy protection or whatever it is. Yeah, what GME didn't they do an offering? They didn't. Yeah, they should. They should. Yeah, I actually was on the Hertz webpage. They're still like I don't know how it works. I mean, they're just in bankruptcy, like Chapter 11, right? It's like bankruptcy protection. I don't know really what it means, but it's not the same thing as a liquidation of the company. Because their website is still there. Like I was on their Swedish website. You could still like rent a car and stuff like that. Looks like EXPR is about to take out the highs of the day. Holy shit! Hopefully this thing goes to 50 by tomorrow. Incredible. Incredible squeezes. And also AMC's coming back. So GME, yeah. If it reclaims VWAP now, I'm gonna size down for break even. Like I'm gonna size down at least half. At least half of my position. Oh yeah, that's what Chapter 11 means. Yeah, it's a restructuring equity. Yeah, yeah, but the company's still in business, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's Chapter 11. They liquidate. Okay, thanks, guys. This is what I have a community for. Yeah, exactly. No need for front side. Like, look, there's gonna be a lot of downside, like GME. Once the squeeze is over, it's gonna go right back where it came from. But the question is, when is the squeeze over? Like, is it gonna go to 500, 1,000, 2,000? Well, my risk is defined here too. It's called a stop. I always have defined stops. It's not like the stock is about to close here, right? I mean, it's still early in the trading day. Like this thing could go to 150, it could go to 750 today. But I have very defined stops. I know exactly what my risk is. The concept of diamond hands, I don't know what it means. Yeah, the stock can get halt. You mean like a regulatory halt? Yeah, but if it gets a regulatory halt, I don't think it's good for the longs. Diamond hand, never sell. Never heard it. That phrase before. This little lemonade is having a little bit of a breakout. If you disregard a candle like 2 days ago, it's actually, you know, looking pretty good, and it's breaking out of this little range here. I am kicking myself for selling Airbnb. I can't believe, yeah, whatever. Again, my entries are perfect, my exits are shit. I give myself 5 out of 5 stars on my entries. They are really good. Like I almost can't buy things better. But my exits, especially the past 6 months, they've been, I don't know, 3 out of 5 maybe. Okay, Roku looks like it's bouncing off the 20-day. That's good. It's one of the biggest leaders right now. It's one of the momentum leaders. How did I not get stopped out on Airbnb? It went under the lows of the day on breakout day. What are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about. It didn't. It grinded higher, and then I bought it like, where did I buy it? 155, 155-ish? I don't know what you're talking about. You're looking at, maybe you have different data than I have. Wait, lows of breakout on the second and third day? What are you talking about? Are we looking at the same stock? Did you say? Oh, okay. Oh, you mean, oh, you thought I bought it on this day? Yeah, no, I bought it here. I bought it on this day, yeah. I was like, what the hell is he talking about? Are we talking about the same stock? Yeah, that explains it. So GME, let's see if it, you know, it's right on VWAP, right on VWAP. And I'm looking at a chart where the pre-market data is not included. If you include the pre-market data, it's actually above VWAP, but you know, so it's kind of a mind fuck. But if you don't include the pre-market data, it's below. So GME looks bullish. I don't know. I don't know. I can't. It could go either way. I have my stops, and that's all I know. Oh, don't tell me fuel cell is up like 20% on the day. Okay, thank God. It's only up 6% on the day. Yeah, and I was gonna buy it. I was thinking about between plug BLDP. I didn't like as much, but I was thinking, should I buy BLDP or plug? And I bought plug because it's higher priced, and I don't have to buy as many shares. It's easier to manage the trade. And yeah, and that's the one that did an offering. Oh, not happy. um, Are you guys having data problems in center point? I can't get any quotes. Yeah, well, it comes and goes. That's what's so annoying. It comes and goes. But yeah, it's reclaiming VWAP, so I'm kind of getting out here most of my shares. Well, trying to at least. Yeah, I had it a few days ago. Yeah, it's trying to come back now. And that's what this is all about, you know. You trade the setups, and you get stopped out. You get stopped out. I think it's all about the risk reward. Yeah, I have noticed GMAs on the VWAP. Trust me. That's like 90% of my attention. Yeah. So in hindsight, so it did build. You know, it's obviously easy in hindsight. Like it had its triangle and now it's busting out. But it could have also busted, you know, below it. So we'll see. So it broke but it could have still been, you know, this could be another lower high. We'll see. It's always easier to look at these things in hindsight. Is it possible GME to end up like Tesla? What does that mean? End up like Tesla how? How did that Tesla end up? Is it more reliable to use VWAP with or without pre-market? I have no idea. I think it's, you know, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I have no data on that. No idea, really no idea. Oh, it looks like my quotes on in Centerpoint are back. Yay. What's cost doing? Oh wow, another one. Going crazy yet again. I'm your genius. Thanks. I don't really think I am a genius, but hey. Tootsie Roll is crashing now. So oh, SBC is another one. And funny, I was thinking about buying it this day. I did identify it as one of these high short interest stocks, but I never pulled the trigger. I'm an idiot. Why didn't I do it? Man, trading can be such a mindfuck. You identify the trade and you don't pull the trigger, and yeah. THCB, pretty decent setup. It undercut had a big move, pulled back, undercut the 50, and now it's breaking out of this range here. It undercut the 50 and put in a big wick. Too thin for me, but you know it's a right sector. Is it gonna follow through? That's the question. Have I ever tried to? I can't figure out what the thing about point and figure charts are. It sounds stupid. Like it really, like, I don't know. Like I've looked at some of them and they just look stupid, honestly. Honestly, they look stupid. I have no idea how to read a chart like that. But more importantly, I've never met or read about a successful trader using point and figure charts. That's the most important thing. If I ever meet one, maybe I'll look into it, but until then, I don't even bother. Sumo, Friday's breakout, yeah, it was a decent one. Maybe 3, 4. I have to. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't know. It was a tricky one. I don't know. Flag on AMC. It is kind of flagging intraday. It is staying above VWAP. Yeah, maybe it goes to 30 today. Kavastu, he's a fraud, but yeah. Another big reason to not use point and figure. I'm ashamed of him. I'm ashamed. Yeah, Bahastu is better. Yep. I follow him one of my Twitter accounts. He's funny. You got through a 350-page book on PNF. I don't even know what to say to that. I don't even know what to say. I still haven't met or heard about the really successful trader who uses it. And also remember, most trading books are written by people who haven't had any success in the stock market, you know, just saying. Just because there's a book about it doesn't make it legit. There's books about everything and anything. Don't tell me Tiller. I hate this market. I hate it. Why was Tilray? Did Tilray announce an offering too? Like, why were they gapping down? I can't believe this shit. I can't believe it. I had 200,000 shares. I sold half pre-market and half out of the gate, like at the lows. And here we are. Here we are. You know, some market conditions. You just gonna it feels like you have the not SEC, the Fed in your pocket, and some market conditions you just, you know, things like these happen, and it's just a part of trading. It's about how you manage these things that determines your success. Most people will, you know, when they run into tough times or like choppy times, you know, they can't handle it. What they do is they start doing the wrong thing. They start deviating from their setups and risk management, if they had a setup to begin with. You can't do that. You gotta wait for your setups. You gotta wait for them. You can't start chasing stuff because, you know, it's going up or down. So now it's all about waiting. That's all I can do. Wait for my edge. That's it. That's it. Yeah, workhorse. This thing had an incredible breakout yesterday from like a big flag pattern. It's easy to see it on the weekly. It had been building higher lows for like 6+ months, 7-8 months, and it broke out. On the daily, it was incredibly tough, but on the weekly, it was really clean. All right, I think I'm gonna cut the stream. I want to play Hearts of Iron 4. GME also breakout. No, it's not. Breakout needs to be from a flag or consolidation. GME is in the stratosphere. It's in the This is just because it goes from 325 to 350. It's not a breakout. It's a continuation move. What's PDD doing? This one I had a few days ago. Oh, it undercut the 20. This could be a good setup in a few days. Stream the game now. Heart of Iron. Yeah, Hearts of Iron is really like, I was watching like 10 hours of YouTube, like people going through the basics and just playing the game and explaining what they were doing until I like just to learn the basics. It's oh shit, Roku. It's ultra complex. Not ultra complex, but it's a lot to learn. There's a lot of things. I have to buy all DLCs. Why? Yeah, it's a complicated coin. It's a lot of the learning. Oh, hopefully GME goes to 1,000. That would be epic. All right, guys. What the hell is this? Oh, my eSigner crashed. What? When did this one crash? Didn't I close it down? Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.